Hello and welcome to day 8 of Beauty on a Budget, 30 Days of Glam for Less. Today we're going to be talking about ColourPop eyeshadows. Now I know that you've heard of ColourPop, we all have, but I want to just emphasize how great their eyeshadows are. I've already primed my eyes, I've got tape on my eyes. I'm going to be using the Making Mauves palette today. A lot of my creative, like more colorful looks, I use ColourPop because they have more of a wide range of shades. This is what this palette looks like. Love it. It is already well used. Now for this video, I'm not really going to be showing you exactly what I'm doing. You want to know about the product and why I think that it is affordable glam, why it made the series. These little mini palettes are about $14, whereas the big ones are $10 more at $24. They come out with a lot of themed palettes. For instance, I have a lot of Star Wars palettes. Also have a Golden State Warriors palette as well. Their variety ranges, and that's what I love most about the brand, is that they don't just stick to their own. You know, like they just came out with a Twilight palette, which I love, so it really grabs your attention based on what you are interested in. And if you want to, you can have a shadow palette for every occasion because that's how many they have. And they don't even just have shadow palettes, they have little single shadows as well. And I don't think I have to tell you, because you've probably heard this before, but their shadows are like one of the best qualities that I've ever tried because they are so blendable and so pigmented, which you can see here. Even their shimmers are shimmery with a brush. I think that's one of the hardest things to find, is a shimmer shadow that actually picks up with a brush. A lot of times I had to go in with my finger with other brands, but not ColourPop. So their shimmer shadows remind me a lot of their highlighters because they are just so pigmented. All of their shadows, highlighters, all that good stuff is so pigmented, and you're not going to be paying a lot for the quality. And see how quick that was? Like, it was so easy, so effortless, very not time consuming, which I also love because sometimes you want to do a look and you want it to be a little dramatic, but you don't want to take a lot of time, and you need a nice, good eyeshadow palette for that. And I got you, because here it is. Doesn't have to be this Making Mauves palette, it can be any palette from ColourPop. And the eyes are done. See how easy and effortless that was? That is my kind of eyeshadow. Okay, that concludes day 8 and all of the ColourPop shadows that I love. But like I said, this brand is very well worth it, very affordable, and you definitely need to go get some. Even if you just get a single shadow, you will not be sorry. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you can see the rest of the series, and I will see y'all in day 9. Bye!